picture of me? Or were you recording? Are you recording me? Oh. Why is it so close? I'm getting a pocket door here. A what? Pocket door. What's that? Where it slides. Oh, cool. And this is where I'm going to brush my teeth in the morning. You're going to do what? Brush my teeth. You're going to do what? Brush my teeth! You're going to do what? And then the TV. Where should my TV go? It depends on where you put your bed. Right here. You put your bed right there? Mm-hmm. So then put your TV over there. I'll hang it. Just kidding, I won't. I'm ugly. No, Megan, you're beautiful. your snort is beautiful too. I know. Oh. Gotta get down on Friday. Yeah. Just gonna walk in circles? In my closet. Bye. You see me? The camera can't. Oh, now I see you. This is a big closet. Kind of. Not really. Why are you laughing? I'm laughing at your laugh. Is my laugh silly? You're in your hyper mood right now. I want to see what my hair looks like. Oh, it's beautiful. How should I kneel here? I wonder if I can fit in here. Oh, it's scary in here. Wait, I'm scared. Wait! I'm scared! Wait, no! It's scary in here. I can't breathe! Yes, you can. I can't breathe!